Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download your Facebook Lite app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Facebook Lite, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Play Store or App Store. Once you open it, in the search bar, all you gotta do is simply type in Facebook Lite. After you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find an option called Facebook Lite. Now simply tap on the install button, and after you have tapped on it, you will be shown that some amount of data is being downloaded. Now it is installed, and once it is installed, simply tap on your open button and you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you can choose simply account to get logged in into your Facebook Lite, and Facebook Lite is basically Facebook but in a lower storage MB. So this is how you can simply download your Facebook Lite app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.